Okay guys, what's up? So dito naman tayo sa Kings versus Warriors. So ayan, Kings versus Warriors, let's go. The Kings have 28 wins, 27 loss. Number 9 in the West. Warriors has 28 wins, 27 loss, number 10 in the West. So ayan, basically pareha sila ng standing. Magandang laban ito mga guys. Purok 9 versus Purok G's. So, ayan, Friday, February 21, 2025, 10 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 11 a.m. February 22, 2025 in Manila. Or Golden One Center in Sacramento, California. So, yan, home court po ng Kings. So, let's give the home court advantage on the Kings. Spread, Mavericks plus 2, Warriors minus 2, over and under 233.5. Kings injury, health and availability, Kings none. Warriors, Jonathan Kuminga out. So, let's give the health and availability on Jonathan Kuminga. And Jonathan Kuminga in Kings because wala silang injured while the Warriors, isa sa star nila si Jonathan Kuminga. So, ayan. So, Golden State Warriors won their previous game 105-98. This was a road victory versus at Toyota Center against Houston Rockets. The Warriors have win 6 and 4 losses in the past 10 games, while the Sacramento Kings were defeated in their last game on the road. They suffered a 140-133 reverse against New Orleans. The Kings have won 5 and lost 5 of their previous 10 contests. So ayan, kita-kita naman natin, nasa Warriors yung momentum dito. Kaya sa Warriors tayo minus 2. So ayan, kasi bakit? Andun si Jimmy B, andun si Draymond Green, andun si Curry, tapos healthy sila, maliban kay Kuminga, tapos may nadagdag pa sa kanila si Mark Williams, so malaking addition yun. For me, kahit lumakas din naman yung Kings, nadagdag sa kanila si Zach LaVine, pero for me, Warriors minus 2, dyan tayo Warriors minus 2. Para laban ng mga Pilipino, alam ko mas paborito ng mga Pilipino yung Warriors, kaya ayan, Warriors minus 2 tayo. Diyan tayo lalagay. So, ayan, kung nagugustuhan nyo yung mga content natin, so, paki-like and share itong video, paki-subscribe na din para updated kayo lagi pag may bago tayong video. So, ayan guys, bills muna bago bomba tayo. Ayan.